Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do reverse clip in the Capcut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application, and after that we just need to go click a new project, or we can also choose the previous project that we have. Today I would like to give you a tutorial from the new project, and I want to use the stock videos that provided by the Capcut. I think I'm gonna go in the scenery section, and I want to do with this, and after that I'll just go click add. Okay, and now we already have the clip on our project. So to make this clip reverse, you just need to go click the clip until it is in active mode. It will be signed with the blue frame on this clip, and after that you just need to take a look on this button features. You just need to scroll into the left side until we found a reverse tools. So reverse tools will be symbolized by this. Just need to click it, and you just need to wait until the process is 100% complete in this clip. And now we already reversed this clip. Let's have a try. Okay, so that's all the way how to reverse a clip on a Capcut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.